Today we're creating a more immersive viewing experience with our cool new Reactive TV backlighting. Just look at how awesome this looks. I can't look away. But we have to, because today we're doing an unboxing. This TV backlight comes with everything you need to get started. All you will need is your own TV. It doesn't come with the TV, but it does come with a manual and a reactive light strip for TVs that are 55 to 65 inches, a power cable, 2 HDMI cables, and lastly, your HDMI control box. First, prep your work area and dust and clean the back of the TV to give your lights a good surface to stick to. Then grab your light strip and run it along the back side of your TV. But be mindful of where you want your HDMI box and start the strip at that point. After your strip is run around the whole TV, you plug the light strip into the HDMI control box. Then plug in your HDMI from your device to the control box. Then the second from the control box to the TV. Lastly, plug in your HDMI control box and your TV backlight powers on. Now here's where I think it gets cool. After you download the Smart Life app and connect your light strip, you have full control over the lights. You can entirely design your own light strip. You can go through and pick whatever color you want for whatever portion of the light strip. The constant color is nice to match a tone of a room and not be distracting when watching shows or a movie. Then you can select and choose from different pre-made themes and color swatches. These all create a fun atmosphere. But my favorite has to be the sound reactive modes. You can change the sensitivity and pick the style, then have the color change and pulsate to the beat of the song. Not only that, but it reacts to your own voice. This means it will pick up when you laugh, or even when you're practicing for your next big voiceover. Testing, testing, hello, hi. This also means for some really immersive gameplay when it comes to video games. The lights flicker and pulsate to the action of the game and really draw you in and keep your focus on more important things, such as the television. It really does create a unique experience and makes watching movies, playing games, and listening to music so much more fun. Now, slightly off topic, but as a photographer and filmmaker, I love reflections and working shadows into my videos, and this one is no different. I couldn't help but notice the shadows the TV backlight would cast on the ceiling. The light is so bright that the cat shelves would act as light blockers, and they created textured and moving shadows on the ceiling. Then, the reflective white ceiling and walls would take the color of the backlight and really set the scene. This TV backlight not only looks cool for your TV, but it literally makes the whole room come alive with dancing light and shadows. How cool is that? So whether you're looking for a fun addition to a game room, looking to set the tone to your living room, or have some cool reactive lights to jam out in front of, then this strip of TV backlights might just be for you. If you'd like to get a pack for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm heading back out to play some more games and enjoy my fun and engaging room. See ya!